The candle is burning very slowly.
The candle is burning very slowly.
She is feeding the little puppy.
She is feeding the little puppy.
I am opening the window now.
I am opening the window now.
The farmer is plowing his field.
The farmer is plowing his field.
They are crossing the narrow bridge.
They are crossing the narrow bridge.
My aunt is cooking hot soup.
My aunt is cooking hot soup.
We are writing letters in class.
We are writing letters in class.
He is fixing his broken toy.
He is fixing his broken toy.
The rain is falling very fast.
The rain is falling very fast.
I am walking with my cousin.
I am walking with my cousin.
She is polishing her black shoes.
She is polishing her black shoes.
The leaves are falling from the trees.
The leaves are falling from the trees.
My brother is brushing the horse.
My brother is brushing the horse.
We are shouting loudly in joy.
We are shouting loudly in joy.
He is resting on the bed.
He is resting on the bed.
The bus is stopping at school.
The bus is stopping at school.
I am lighting a small candle.
I'm lighting a small candle.
She is looking at the flowers.
She is looking at the flowers.
They are singing loudly together now.
They are singing loudly together now.
My father is watering the garden.
My father is watering the garden.
We are closing all the windows.
We are closing all the windows.
He is pulling a heavy rope.
He is pulling a heavy rope.
I am tying my shoelaces quickly.
I am tying my shoelaces quickly.
She is cleaning her wooden desk.
She is cleaning her wooden desk.
The tiger is roaring in the forest.
The tiger is roaring in the forest.